Hello there, welcome back. In our previous video, we set up our Shopify partner account, created a development store, and navigated its interface. Now let's take the next step and dive into customizing our Shopify store and adding some new products. Today we are going to cover how to make your store uniquely yours, from customizing the theme to adding products that fly off the virtual shelves. Let's get started. So I'm on the Shopify partner dashboard. Go to the stores and choose your development store. I'm choosing this one. Click on login. It's loading. The look and feel of your store are crucial for creating a memorable customer experience. So we will customize our store in this video. Head to the online store section and click on themes. Here you can see this Dawn theme. It's a free theme, comes pre-installed in our Shopify store, and we will customize this store. So before customizing this theme, let's add some products. Let's first add a product manually, then we will import some products using Excel sheet. So click on add your products. Let's name it as watch. Let's type nothing in the description. I have uploaded some dummy images. Now let's save this product. It's added. Now go back. Here it is. You can see we have added one product. It has 0 stock. Let's add some stock to it. Let's add a price, 1000 rupees. Let's add compared price 1200. Let's add the available quantity. We have 10 units. Let's save it. Save it. Now go back. Now we will import some products using this import functionality. We will add our CSV file including the products here. Here you can see I have 3 CSVs, and let's upload the jewelry one. Now let's upload the products. So you can type on the Google like dummy products for Shopify, and you can see there is a GitHub repository where you will find these CSV files. You can download these and add as dummy products onto your store. Let's import products. It's importing. It will take a while. Meanwhile, our products are getting imported. We will explore collections. To organize your products, consider creating collections. This helps your customers find what they are looking for, and definitely you can arrange your products in your store. Like you can create a collection for the products that are on sale. You can automatically add the products to here using these conditions on tag basis or any other condition, or you can manually add the products. We will add these products manually. Let's save it and let's browse some products. Let me add I've added these products. Remember, your development store is perfect place to experiment and make sure everything is perfect before going live. On your development store, you can directly work on your live theme, but on the client store, always create a duplicate of your client's live theme and then work on that duplicate. It will take a while. It's copying the theme. Let's rename this one DevDon. Yeah, that's a good name. So while you are working on this draft theme, there are 3 ways to preview this theme while you are working on this. First one is click here on preview. It will open the theme, but you cannot share this link with the client. It will only work on your end, and while you close the tab, it will be gone. The second method is click on this share preview and copy the link. This link will work as well, but it gets expired after a few days. I think it's here you can add the query for preview theme. Preview theme underscore id equals, let me grab the id. Here is the id. So this is the preview link which we can share with the client and they can view this without any problem. Let me copy this link so we can try it out at the end. So we will be working through customizer in our today's video. So let's click on customize. While you are working on your theme, in the development process, you can use this link. It's recommended to use this link because the other links can slip to the live theme, but this will keep you on the development theme. So the customizer is open. Here you can see all the details are here on the left side in this panel, and here you can see our home page. We will customize this. So now let's edit the announcement bar. There is one message. Let's change the color scheme to black. Show separator line that separates 2 sections. Yeah, we can enable the social icons here. And then we can play with these settings. Then we can add another announcement like 10% discount on all products. You can see when I added this second announcement bar, it is now a slider. Here you can see the arrows. Let's just delete the second for now. Now we go to the header. This is the header. Let's edit our logo first. Theme settings, let's add our logo, upload, here it is. Done. Here you go. Here we can choose the width of the logo. Let's keep it 120 pixel. Let's go back to the settings, the home page, and then we can change, select an image banner here. Let's choose this one. If we upload the second image, here you can see both images will be divided into half, so that's looking good. We can change the button and the heading text from here, and the styles as well. This is the image banner section, then featured collection. Let's assign, it's already assigned to all the collections, so let me save and refresh first. Let's see our results on our preview link first. We have to set a password for our store, so let's set a password as 12345. Yeah, you can see the preview link expired. This is the problem with this link. Let's open from here, preview. Here you can see. Now let's work on this featured product section. Now here, featured collections. We can change the headings from here. Make the size of the heading, let's make it medium. Then we can add some description for this section. Then you can choose the style of the description. Then we can choose any collection that we want to add here. We can change the collection to our newly made sale collection, but let's keep it to all. It's set to 8 products. We can change this to 4, and now it will show 4 products. We can change it to 7, it will show 7 products. Let's revert it back to 8. Number of columns, we can adjust it on desktop. Currently it's 4, we can make it 3. Let's keep it 4, it's looking good with 4. We can make the products full width, and then let's just keep it as it is. You can enable the view all button from here. Then we can change the styling of the button to link, outline button, or a solid button. Let's keep it as it is, solid button. Let's change the scheme to the black. Then we can choose the style of the product cards. It's not looking good, it's adapting to the style, to the size of the image, so we can set it to either portrait, it's looking good, or we can set to square. If you have same size of all the images in your store, then it's fine to select the adapt to the image. Otherwise I would recommend going with square or portrait. Portrait is looking good in our case. And we can choose the image shape. Let's make it as blob. Yeah, you can see it's looking good. There is a very nice animation. Yeah, that's it. Let's save it and view our results. You can see it's done. Here you can see there is some space on the left and right. We can remove this from the settings as well. Let's change the page width in the, it's not in the header. Like from these settings we can change each section's padding bottom, padding top and margins, but for the overall we can go to here, and this is logo here. This is the theme setting. This is this applies to all the pages, and this one only for home page. Here we can choose the page, but this is the overall theme settings. So let's change the page width from here. Layout, yeah, page width, it's 1200. Let's make it 1400 pixels and save it and check out the results here. Looking good now. Now let's go to the store themes. You can see there is only one theme in our store right now, and this is the copy of this theme. We can add more themes by clicking on the add theme and visit the Shopify theme store. There are many themes here, paid one and some free one as well. Here you can see some free one are here as well. You can add any theme from here. Let's explore themes. Let's install a free theme. Let's add this one, fresh, refresh. Try theme. It's adding to our store, or we can just simply click here add and it will be added to our store. And there is another method of uploading a zip file, like if you have worked on some other store like development store and you want to upload that theme to client store, you can download that theme. It will send a zip file to your email address, and then you can download that zip file, or you can connect your theme from the GitHub, which we will be learning in our future videos, where we will be working with the GitHub for our theme editing. But for basic videos I will be using the Shopify's editor, and then gradually we will shift to the GitHub and Shopify CLI. That's a wrap up for the customizing your Shopify store and adding products in Shopify. In our next video we will explore Shopify themes, file structure, and understand the purpose of each and every file and folder. So take care. See you in the next video.